Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code CS3452, Theory of Computation, Unit 2, Topic, Finite Automata and Regular Expression. Objectives: to understand the concepts of regular expression, to analyze the problems for converting a regular expression into finite automata systems and vice versa. Conversion of regular expression to finite automata. That means design a transition diagram for given regular expression using non-deterministic finite automata with epsilon moves. In step 2, convert this non-deterministic finite automata with epsilon to non-deterministic finite automata without epsilon. In the last step, convert the obtained non-deterministic finite automata to equivalent deterministic finite automata. That means using this you are going to convert the regular expression to finite automata. We are going to use a method called the subset method. Using this method, you can able to obtain finite automata from the given regular expression. For this, now we are going to see one example. Design a finite automata from given regular expression 1 0 plus 0 plus 1 1 0 asterisk 1. For the given regular expression, you are going to draw one finite automata. So in the solution, first we are going to construct the transition diagram for a given regular expression. So for the given expression, first you are going to mention the start state and the end state. In the step 2, first you are going to draw the regular expression for the 1 0, and then in the step 3 you are going to draw the separate for the state for 1 and separate the state for zeros. Likewise here 0 asterisk 1 means it represents the loop that it will show in the step 4. In the step 4, from the state Q0 to Q1 you have the input 1, from Q1 to Qf you have the input 0, and from the state Q2 to the Qf you have the input 1, and in the Q2 you have the self state that is 0, and from the Q0 to Q2 you have the 0 plus 1 1. Here only you are using that subset method. Using this, for each and every input ones and zeros you are going to mention the separate states from one state to another state, how it travels. So here Q0 is represented as a start state, Qf is a final state. From Q0 to Q1 you have the input 1, from Q1 to Qf you have the input 0, Q0 to Q3 you have the input 0, from Q0 to Q2 you have the input 1. Likewise from Q2 to Q3 you have the input 1, in the Q3 you have the self state 0, and likewise Q3 to Q4 we have the input 1. Likewise each and every regular expressions you have to draw the states from one state to another state, how they are travel. You have to mention the arrow mark. The start state is represented as a arrow mark, the final state is represented by the double circle. Next we are going to see the transition table for the given transition diagram. So already we taken the input string as zeros and ones. In the transition table, what are the states you draw? You have to mention that states Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Here the input strings are 1 and 0. From this transition table, you have one new status generated, Q1, Q2. For that Q1, Q2, again you have to find out the input string for zeros and ones. That means the state travel from one state to another state. Then only you can able to find out the equivalent DFA. Thank you.